Hi viewers, welcome back to our channel Light to Crack Math. In our previous video, we had discussed the solution of exercise 10.1, and if you haven't yet checked that video, I'm giving the link for that video in the description. Do check it out without fail. And in today's video, we are going to discuss the solution for exercise 10.2. And if you're a first time viewer of our channel, then do subscribe our channel without fail. The first question given to us is express the following numbers in standard form. Okay, so they have given it to us in decimals and whole numbers that are really larger. Okay, so we will have to convert them to the standard form, or we also call it the scientific form. Okay, so the first question is given in decimal. So before we move on to the solution, one thing which you will have to remember is if you are given a decimal number, that is a very small number to convert into the scientific form, then the power of that number will be a negative number. Or if you are given a very large number to express in the scientific form, then the power will be a positive power. These are the two things which you will have to keep in mind. If you are very confident about this, then you will not go wrong anyway. Okay. So the first question is 0.000000000085. So first we will count the number of zeros that are given to us. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 zeros are there in all. Okay, so you have 8, 5 after 11 zeros. First, the scientific form will have only one whole number. So it is 8.5 into 10 to the power. Till these zeros we have 11 0, but we have kept the decimal point here, right? So we have moved totally 11 places. So you will write 10 to the power minus 11. Okay, so this is the answer for the first question. Moving on to the second question. Again, it is a decimal number. So here again the whole number must have only one decimal point, right? So we'll keep the decimal point after 9. So it will be 9.42 into 10 to the power. So the 0 has to travel from here till 9. So you will have to count how many places it is moving, right? So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So totally 12 places it has moved. So 10 to the power minus 12. Okay. Moving on to the third question. We are given 602 and followed by so many zeros, right? So your answer would be 6.02 into 10 to the power. How many zeros are there that you will have to check? So here how it is you are given a whole number and we are converting that into a decimal number. So whole number means the decimal part is 0, right? So now you just count from here how many places your 0 has traveled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It has traveled 15 places. So 10 to the power 15 would be the answer. Okay, so since this is a whole number and a greater number given to us in the question, the power will be a positive power. Moving on to the fourth question. So again that's a decimal number. So it is 8.37 into 10 to the power minus. So again count how many places your decimal is traveling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? So it is to the power minus 9. 8.37 into 10 to the power minus 9 is our answer. Moving on to the fifth question. Oh, that is a very large number and it is a whole number and there is no decimal involved in it. So in our answer, the power of 10 would be a positive power. Okay, so 3.186 into 10 to the power. So let's count how many places the decimal is moving forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 3.186 into 10 to the power 10 is the answer for the fifth question. Moving on to the second question. The question given to us is express the following numbers in usual form. So the first question given to us is 3.02 into 10 to the power minus 6. Okay. So first, whatever power is given to you, 6 is given, right? So you just write 6 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then followed by that write the given number 302. Okay, so actually the decimal point is here, right? So roughly near 3. So from here your decimal has to travel backward to 6 places. Why backward? Because it is a negative number given to us. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So your point would be here. So your answer is 0.0000302. Okay. So let's check it. Like how we'll write if a decimal is given, we'll just write 3.02, right? And then we'll count how many places it has gone backward, forward. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So into 10 to the power minus 6. This is how we used to write, right? So our question and the verification is the same. So our answer is correct. Moving on to the second question, you have been given with 4.5 into 10 to the power 4. So when it is a positive power, just write the given number as such without decimal, and then since it's 10 power 4, write 4 zeros and you have one digit after the decimal, so place a decimal before a digit. So your answer is nothing but 45,000. Okay, moving on to the third problem. 3 into 10 to the power minus 8. So what is our first step? Whatever negative power is given, that many zeros you will have to add. So write 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros and then write 3. 3 is nothing but 3.0, right? So your 0 is moving forward 8 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So your point would be here. So this is our answer for the third question. Moving on to the fourth question, we are given with 1.0001 into 10 to the power 9. So it is a positive power. So just write 10001 followed by 9 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are there after the decimal point. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is the decimal point. So this can be rewritten as 10001000000. Okay. So this is our answer for the fourth question. Moving on to the fifth question, we have been given 5.8 into 10 to the power 12. Okay, so you will write it as 58 followed by 12 zeros. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So you have one digit after the decimal. So keep a point here. So the answer is 58 followed by 11 zeros. Okay. moving on to the last problem, which is given to us 3.61492 into 10 to the power 6. So since it is a positive power, we can simply add the same number of zeros after writing the number. So we'll add 6 zeros, and here after decimal you have 5 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count 5 digits and place your decimal here. So your answer would be 3614920. The third question given to us is, express the number appearing in the following statements in standard form. Standard form means the scientific form. Okay. So the first question given to us is 1 micron is equal to 1 by 10, 1 followed by 6 zeros meter. Okay. So it is 1 micron equal to 1 by 1 into 10 to the power. So how many zeros are there? 6 zeros are there. To the power 6 meter. Okay. 1 into 10 is again 10 only, right? So 10 to the power 6 meter. So this can be written as 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter. Okay. So moving on to the second problem given to us. Charge of an electron is, it is a very small number, right? So 1 6 is there in the last two digits. So you can write 1.6 into 10 to the power. So just count how many places this decimal has traveled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 places. So 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb is the answer. Okay. The third problem is, size of a bacteria is 0.000005 meter. So now how you can write this is 5 into 10 to the power minus. So count how many places the decimal has traveled forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 10 to the power minus 7 meter. Okay. And the fourth problem given to us is, size of a plant is this. Okay. So again you can write that as 1.275 into 10 to the power. So let's count how many places the decimal has traveled. So let's count how many places the decimal has traveled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. So 10 to the power minus 5 meter. Okay. And the fifth question is, thickness of a thick paper is 0.07 millimeter. So this can be written as 7 into 10 to the power. How much? Again, just count how many places this has. Just count how many places the decimal has moved. So it is 1, 2 places. So into 7 into 10 to the power minus 2 millimeter is the answer for this question. Okay. Question given to us is, in a stack there are 5 books each of thickness 20 millimeter and 5 paper sheets each of thickness 0.016 millimeter. What is the total thickness of the stack? Okay. So what is given to us? First we'll write whatever is given to us. We have been given thickness of each book only they have given, right? So you can write it as one book. Thickness of one book equal to 20 millimeter. Okay. And then what they have given, thickness of one paper sheet is also been given to us. One paper sheet is again equal to 0.016 millimeter. Okay. Now they've asked us the thickness of the total stack. Thickness of the total stack means it is thickness of 5 books and 5 paper sheets. Okay, so first we'll write what is to be found. So we are asked to find thickness of total stack. Okay, so now we'll move on to the solution. So first what we are going to find out is the thickness of 5 books. So thickness of 5 books is equal to 5 into 20 millimeter. So 5 into 20 is nothing but 100 millimeter. Okay, and then thickness of 5 paper sheets. So thickness of 5 paper sheets is equal to 5 into 0.016 millimeter. So if you are going to multiply this, 6 5s are 30, 5 1s are 5 plus 3 8 and 0 and 0. Okay, so this is our answer. So they have asked us for the total thickness. Total thickness means what you should do. It is nothing but thickness of 5 books plus thickness of 5 paper sheets. Right? So you will have to add both of them. So 100 millimeter plus 0.080 millimeter is nothing but 100.080 millimeter. Therefore, the total thickness of the stack is nothing but 100.080 millimeter. Okay. With this, we come to the end of this video. If the video was informative, then do like our video and share about our channel to your friends to throw some light to crack their math. And if you haven't yet subscribed our channel, do subscribe our channel without fail.